Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 8th, 2024, and we've got a lot of exciting stories to cover in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, we have news about the global PYUSD Portal Hackathon, organized by PayPal and Portal. This event is inviting developers to innovate using PYUSD within the Solana ecosystem. Running from July 31st to August 19th, participants can compete for over 40,000 PYUSD in prizes. The top projects will be showcased at the Solana Hacker House in Hong Kong this October. The hackathon spans 5 weeks and encourages the development of new projects in categories like payments, commerce, DeFi, gaming, and cross-border transactions. Prizes include 15,000 PYUSD for the Grand Champion, 5,000 PYUSD for the Innovation Champion, and 3,500 PYUSD for several category-specific awards. Teams must submit their projects by the deadline, and only new projects that have not raised outside capital are eligible. Participants can work individually or in teams, and the hackathon promotes a respectful and inclusive environment. Judging criteria will focus on functionality, novelty, user experience, and the potential for a viable business model. Resources and support will be available for participants, and while feedback on submissions may not be guaranteed, all projects will be reviewed. The event aims to spotlight innovative solutions and foster creativity in the crypto space. In regulatory news, the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, has issued over 1,000 warnings to cryptocurrency firms since the implementation of new financial promotion rules on October 8, 2023. These regulations require crypto companies to be registered with the FCA to legally promote their services in the UK. Lucy Castledine, the FCA's Director of Consumer Investments, highlighted that the regulator's actions have led to the removal of 48 apps from UK app stores due to illegal promotions. The FCA is committed to continuing its enforcement against unregistered firms that are operating unlawfully in the market. In a recent interview, Castledine emphasized the importance of the FCA's role in protecting consumers and ensuring compliance among crypto firms. The FCA has also published guidance for registered firms outlining both acceptable and unacceptable practices regarding financial promotions. The guidance stresses the need for firms to accurately assess whether consumers qualify as restricted, high net worth, or certified sophisticated investors before engaging with them. While many firms have successfully implemented self-categorization for customers, some have been found to improperly guide consumers through the process. The FCA's ongoing efforts include collaboration with social media companies to remove illegal websites promoting unregistered crypto services. Next, let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum experienced a significant drop in fees, amounting to $679 million, 57% in Q2, while the network transitioned to an inflationary model. This change is largely attributed to the implementation of Ethereum Improvement Proposal, EIP 4844, on March 13th, which is considered a major upgrade since the merge. EIP 4844 enhanced the scalability of Layer 2, L2, solutions and reduced user fees by improving data handling through the introduction of blobs, effectively increasing the availability of block space. As a result, while Ethereum's fees decreased, the activity on L2s surged, with transactions up 63% and active users up 81% in Q2. Despite the drop in fees, the overall user experience on Ethereum improved, indicating that the network is scaling effectively. The reduction in fees on L2s, which fell by 61%, suggests that Ethereum has disrupted itself by enhancing user experience at the cost of short-term economic metrics. The expectation is that the new supply of block space will foster new use cases and demand for developers, ultimately leading to improved economics for Ethereum. The data indicates that the Ethereum Foundation is successfully executing its plans, and the network's demand for ETH continues to grow. Overall, while the financials may appear concerning at first glance, the underlying trends suggest a positive trajectory for Ethereum's ecosystem. Lastly, let's delve into the competitive landscape surrounding stablecoins. These cryptocurrencies, pegged to external currencies, have the potential to transform the global financial system. As various entities, including stablecoin issuers, digital wallet providers and traditional banks vie for dominance, the implications extend beyond financial institutions to any business reliant on large-scale money movement. The outcome of this competition will not solely depend on technological superiority or existing market presence, but rather on the applications and use cases that emerge. Regulatory challenges may hinder innovation temporarily, but they are unlikely to stifle it indefinitely. The future will likely see a multitude of stablecoins that facilitate faster and cheaper payments globally. This shift could disrupt traditional payment networks like SWIFT and Visa, and enhance access to financial services in regions with restricted access to dollars. Ultimately, the race to dominate stablecoins could lead to significant changes in how money is managed and transferred worldwide. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Stay informed and stay ahead in the world of cryptocurrency. Until next time.